In today's video, we will learn how to manage and edit a teacher profile on Edvento. First, click the profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. A small menu will appear, showing basic information such as your name and username, along with the profile and logout options. Click Profile to open your teacher profile page. Let's begin with the profile picture. Click the photo icon on your current picture, then select a new image from your device's gallery. On the left-hand side of the profile page, you can also see any Edvento certified educator certificates you have earned. At the bottom of the left-hand column, there are three options: Profile Settings, Account Security, and Switch Role. Click Profile Settings to open the settings window. Here, you can update your username, first name, middle name, last name, and display name. Your display name is the name other users see on the platform, and it can be different from your full name. In the About Me section, you can write a short biography. You can also select your subject area, teaching level, years of experience, languages, city, country, and time zone. You may also add your LinkedIn profile, personal website, or another relevant link. The Show Email to Everyone option allows you to control whether other users can see your email address. Turn it on to make your email visible, or turn it off to keep it private. When you finish, click Save Profile Changes. The Account Security section allows you to change your password, freeze your account, or permanently delete it. Freezing your account hides your profile, but keeps your data stored, so you can return and reactivate it later. Deleting your account is permanent and irreversible. All your data will be removed, and you will not be able to recover it later. The Switch Role option allows you to change your teacher profile into a student profile. When you click it, a pop-up window explains what will change, including the features you may gain or lose. Read the information carefully, click Continue, enter your password, and then click Confirm Switch. Your role and available platform features will then change. You can switch roles again later if necessary. On the right-hand side of the profile page, you can see statistics such as the number of activities you have created, your participation, classes, assignments, and activity creation data. Most of this information is generated automatically and cannot be edited directly. However, you can manage the Public Collections section. A public collection is a folder containing activities that you want to share with other users. Public collections appear on your profile, but they must be managed from the teacher dashboard. If you do not already have a folder, click New Folder, enter a name, and save it. Then find the folder, click the three-dot menu, select Make Public, and confirm the action. The folder will now appear in the Public Collections section of your profile. Remember that making a folder public does not automatically make the activities inside it public. If the activities remain private, other users will see only the folder. To make the complete collection available, both the folder and the activities inside it must be public. That is how you can manage your teacher profile on Edvento.